Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching raghuview. Friends, today I am going to prepare a special mushroom biryani in pressure cooker. Friends, don't skip the video because I am going to use all my catering techniques in this, and I am going to show you some different tricks which we are using in our catering. So don't skip the video, see till last. Then only you can understand what we are doing in our catering and how our biryani style will be. Friends, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Friends, I am really thanking you because I got a nice response for my previous videos. I got lesser views, but I didn't expect that much of views also. So I am really thanking my viewers. Friends, now we are going to prepare mushroom biryani in pressure cooker. Friends, I already soaked 400 grams basmati rice into this before 10 minutes, and while we are going to while preparation it will take another 10 minutes. So approximate 20 minutes time is required for soaked basmati rice. So now I am going to on the stove. Yes, I am going to prepare in pressure cooker. Now, since I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. In this, I am adding 1 tablespoon ghee. In this, I am adding biryani spices. Friends, when we add ghee at first and adding biryani spices, it gives some good flavor and nice smell. So while the smell comes out, I am adding 2 big onions because nicely sliced. Friends, you can see now color is nicely changed. In this stage, I am adding 2 spoons of ginger and garlic paste. Now there is no smell in that. In this stage, I am adding 3 medium-sized tomato. In this stage, I am adding 3 green chilies. Now I am adding green peas into this. I prefer green peas for mushroom biryani. If you don't require, you can do this biryani without green peas, but I prefer green peas to the mushroom biryani. And in this, now I am adding 250 gram mushrooms into this. Friends, whenever you cook mushroom biryani, the water and mushroom should come out. Then only when you add a rice, the perfection, you can know the perfection, how much water should be added into this. But this now should fry nicely until the water comes out from mushroom. Friends, while frying you can see water coming out from mushroom, and let it some more water come out. You can fry for another 5 minutes. Friends, now water came out and it is nicely evaporated. In this stage I am adding, you can see the cup, 1 small cup of curd. I am adding, see friends, 2 spoons of biryani masala. Friends, in next videos I will show you how to prepare biryani masala, garam masala, chicken masala, mutton masala, everything. Soon I am going to post some masala making videos. Friends, I am adding my own masalas into this. In next videos I will show you how to prepare masalas. Now friends, biryani masala is added into this. In this stage I am adding rice into this. Friends, this rice was already soaked and I added 3.5 glass water into this. I added 2 glasses of rice because whenever we do mushroom biryani, the water on mushroom comes out, so that I added 3.5 glasses of water into this. Friends, I added rice into this. Now I am adding salt. Friends, I used rock salt for this. I usually prepare rock salts for biryanis. Now in this I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Friends, I don't add much masalas into this. This is a simple method you can prepare at your home. Now friends, I am adding mint leaves into this. The mint leaves is approx half a bunch. Now I am adding some coriander leaves on top of this. Now friends, our secret trick, this is koira water. You can get in Dabur koira water is a original. So I am adding just half spoon of koira water. Friends, while added biryani spices, I added 6 to 7 strains of nutmeg. This gives some nice flavor, friends. Now in this I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. Means it is. I didn't mix this. Now I am closing lid. Friends, let this cook for 2 whistles. After cooking 2 whistles, leave it until the pressure goes out. So after pressure going out, I will open this. Friends, now pressure is out. Friends, now you can see the rice was nicely cooked and it is nicely separated. Mushrooms became tiny. See from the rice grains how it cooked. The length of the rice grains. Friends, you can see how the mushroom biryani was cooked. The rice grains was nicely cooked and it is fine to eat. I prefer the raita for this, and you can eat with mushroom masala or any other masalas into this. This is a perfect biryani, friends. You saw how to prepare a fantastic mushroom biryani. Please try this at your home and please post the photos which you prepare in my FB page. The link was given in the description. You can tag me on Instagram and you can follow me on Instagram. The links are given in the description. Friends, we can see in next videos. Take care. Bye.